Good morning, teacher. My name is Isaías Paternostro.
2. Answer the following question. A. What is the most important issue facing the environment today?
Contamination is the main the world ecosystem, making it serious environmental problem. In addition to affecting the species of the animal, fauna and flora, in general respiratory diseases, allergy and even cancer. Climate change is one of the consume of the greenhouse effects and they need indicating in its balance on the plants. Climate that began since the Industrial Revolution, the greenhouse effect and climate change are directly related to order environmental problems such as the thinning of the ozone layer and the melting of the polar layers of the water is vital to life on air and in the pollution as well as air pollution can affect our survival and that on other species.
C. How do we create a future in which both people and nature can thrive?
Plants are basic, elemental part of the life on our planet. Without them nothing could be as we know in the need for human, but yet not for any us order living by yet. The four plants or the organs important as air since they provide everything, flow, oxygen, and food to certain and medicine among many other benefits.
B. Why is it important to have so many different kinds of plants and animals on Earth?
Become aware of us all the daily ways to touch our planet. If we do not complete what rules that help the environment, science day be the day which ends.